Today, I'm introducing a new feature in Odoo 19 for the point of sale POS system, restricted categories. This feature allows you to control which product categories are visible in the POS dashboard. For example, here I'm selecting two categories, breads and pastries. After saving the settings, you can also view the selected categories under the POS product categories section. Now, when I open the POS dashboard, you'll notice that only the selected categories, breads and pastries, are visible. All other categories are hidden so the POS interface stays clean and focused. Next, I'll go back to the settings and remove the breads category. After saving the changes, let's refresh the POS dashboard. Now only the pastries category is visible. That's how the restricted categories feature works in Odoo 19 POS.